Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Since the working principles of all devices are the same, if you write your problems and thoughts about all brands and models in the comments, we will solve the problem immediately. Again, we will repair a device without the cost of parts. The fault solution is almost the same in devices with this and the same working principle. It is useful to follow the same methods.
You should also see the positive comments in our other videos. In all of our repair processes, we repaired our device very easily and cost-free, and you can fix your faults by following the steps I have done. Let's see together what we need to do if the motor of this device works smoothly but does not rotate the blender and mixer. As a very simple process, you can easily solve your problem by following what I did step by step.
I recommend you to subscribe and browse our other useful videos. I would be very happy if you recommend my channel to your friends.
I expect your questions from the comments on our channel, and I expect you to read the positive comments in other videos on our channel. It is a pleasure to be able to help you. Using a quality silicone or mastic, we glue the plastic apparatus back to the shaft of our motor. Please watch the video step by step. After the silicone has dried for at least a day, we turn on the device and try it. Our channel is a repair channel. If you write the problem of your faulty electronic devices in the comments, I can show you the most affordable solution as soon as possible. Since the working principle of all brand and model devices is the same, our expert staff is waiting to answer any questions you may have regarding installation and repair. We guide you about the malfunctions of all your other electronic devices, free of charge diagnosis and solution methods. If you write in the comments, our expert team will respond as soon as possible. Friends, at the end of our video, you will see what a great job we have done. While making repairs, it is necessary to give great importance to the cosmetic appearance. We reassemble our device to try whether our device is repaired, and we see the result with you. Look how good the repair of this device has been, and you can see how stable it works. We will repair this device in the same way. Please watch carefully.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our video with your friends that you want to benefit from. If you write your questions and opinions in the comments, your other brand model printer computer scanner problems, I will reply as soon as possible for the solution. Thanks.